Everywhere you look, the same warning keeps showing up. AI is replacing humans. Millions of jobs are disappearing. The future belongs to machines. And maybe you felt it too. That quiet fear in the back of your mind. What's the point of learning a skill if AI can do it faster? What's the point of starting a career if everything changes in 5 years? Am I already too late? And honestly, that fear is destroying more dreams than AI ever will. Because while some people are panicking, others are quietly learning how to use this technology to become unstoppable. And today, I want to show you the difference. Not with hype, not with fake motivation, but with the truth nobody is telling you. Because AI is not the end of opportunity. For some people, it's the beginning of the biggest advantage they'll ever have. First, let's be real. AI is changing the job market. Some jobs are already disappearing, and many more will change forever. Customer support, basic design work, data entry, simple editing, repetitive office tasks. AI can now do in seconds what used to take hours. But here's the part most people completely misunderstand. AI is not replacing humans. It's replacing people who refuse to adapt. That's the real truth. Because the internet didn't destroy businesses. It destroyed businesses that ignored the internet. And AI works the exact same way. A copywriter using AI becomes faster. A designer using AI becomes more productive. A creator using AI becomes more powerful. But someone who says, "Nah, I'll ignore it," is competing against people moving 10 times faster than them. And in the next few years, speed will matter more than ever. You know what's actually holding most people back? Not technology. Fear. People open social media, see AI everywhere, and instantly feel overwhelmed. So instead of learning it, they avoid it. They scroll. They overthink. They procrastinate, and slowly convince themselves they've already lost. But think about how insane that is. Imagine standing outside a gym saying, "There's no point working out. Other people are already stronger than me." That mindset guarantees failure before you even begin. And that's exactly what fear does. It makes people quit mentally, long before life ever tests them. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of starting late. Fear of wasting time. Fear of being replaced. But the people winning right now, they're not fearless. They're just willing to learn while everyone else hesitates. So what should you actually do? Simple. Stop seeing AI as competition and start seeing it as leverage. Because the people making money right now are doing one thing. They're combining human skills with AI speed. Here's what that looks like. Learn skills AI amplifies. Content creation, storytelling, marketing, personal branding, sales, communication, creative strategy. Because AI can generate information, but humans still connect with emotion. Then use AI like a weapon. Use it to write faster, edit faster, create faster, learn faster, build faster. Not to become lazy, but to become faster than everyone else. And most importantly, build a personal brand. Because people trust people, not faceless corporations, not generic AI content, not perfect robots. Your story matters. Your perspective matters. Your personality matters. AI can imitate information, but it cannot replace human identity. Every major technological shift in history created two types of people: the people who resisted change and the people who adapted early and dominated because of it. People once feared electricity, then the internet, then smartphones, then social media. Now those same technologies run the world, and AI is following the exact same path. The biggest opportunities are always invisible in the beginning. That's why most people miss them. But the people who move early, they change their entire future. So the real question isn't, will AI take jobs? The real question is, will you learn fast enough to use it before everyone else does? Picture this. 1 year from now, you understand AI tools. You've built valuable skills. You're creating content, building income online, working faster than ever before. While most people are still complaining, you're adapting. And that difference changes everything. Because in every generation, There's a small group of people who recognize where the world is heading early, and while everyone else debates the future, they build inside it. That's the opportunity sitting in front of you right now, not someday, right now. But here's the hard part nobody talks about. Learning AI isn't difficult. Staying consistent is. People get excited for 2 days, watch a few videos, try a few prompts, and then disappear back into distractions. Because information has never been the problem. Consistency is. So if you're serious about building a future instead of fearing it, watch this next video right here. Because I'll show you the exact system to stay consistent, even when motivation disappears. And trust me, the people who master consistency in the AI era, they're going to be impossible to compete with. The future doesn't belong to the smartest people. It belongs to the people who adapt fastest. So, adapt. Before the world moves on without you,